Our T32 program is specifically focused on surgeon scientists and the training of young surgeons who are interested in academics and having a research laboratory after they complete their training. This is extremely important because if you look at the great discoveries that have happened over the years with transplantation, heart surgery, etc., it's been surgeons who have been driving that. Surgeons with a background in research are much more able to participate in multidisciplinary teams with basic researchers, with population scientists, with other clinicians to really address important clinical problems that surgeons come in contact with. Having that knowledge base and understanding of the disease processes, plus working with others, really facilitates the cures and treatments.
We have an incredible experience opportunity here at University of Kentucky with the T32 grant. That's taking 2 years of research in the lab, working with basic scientists. My experience with this research time has really provided me the backbone of my desire to pursue academic surgery in colorectal surgery.
As a clinician, we're not necessarily the ones who understand the molecular and mechanistic pathways of cancer. So by doing more research, we as clinicians develop the language and develop the knowledge. So that will help us to explain that process better to our patient to further advance our patient care.
There is always a clinician scientist who serves as one of the mentors, but then we have a team of mentors. So it may be basic researchers, it may be population scientists, outcomes researchers who are part of that mentoring team to help the trainee progress in their academic career.
I think in the research world, to have a mentor to help you navigate through the path to become a clinician scientist is very important.
I worked under Dr. Tianyan Gao, who was a biochemist in our cancer center. Overall, I worked under Dr. Mark Evers. He really is an incredible mentor, not only being a director of our cancer center, as well as having multiple roles in the national organizations, but he's still able to give me feedback on a manuscript within 24 hours of sending to him. I will be completing my training in colorectal surgery next year at the Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota.
I'm so proud of all of the former trainees. I mean, it's almost like your children. You raise them and you just love to see the great things that they've done. Really, the top places are where our trainees are going, and they very much deserve it. They've worked extremely hard and they've been very productive.
In addition to time we get to spend in the lab and learning of how to conduct science overall, we also learn to collaborate with numerous scientists, epidemiologists, other clinicians in a way that we really don't learn otherwise in residency. And I think that's really important as a surgeon who are typically leaders in the hospital systems. The time spent in the lab allows us to be able to pursue advanced degrees as well, whether that's a master's degree or even a PhD. I had completed a master's degree in clinical translational science.
In addition to that, it will give you some downtime to polish your thought in research, publish your own manuscript, understanding how to do research, how to write a grant. I think it's a really important part of becoming a clinician scientist.
So go to our website to learn more about how you can apply. You can always contact me as well. I'd be happy to take any questions.